And I say, no. And they go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you know, and then at the end, when they want paid, I say, you're wrong. And they say,
I feel like I know the answer.
what?
You're gonna say what? I forgot to count here or something?
No. Am I a rhino?
No, like maybe you represent yourself as
Well, number one, I'm in the office, so there's these tattoos, but if they know me, they counted those. They counted them all
Yeah.
accurately,
Yeah.
but they're wrong. Because in reality, folks, and that's where I live, there are no rhinos in the office. There's just statues and images of rhinos. There are 0 rhinos in this office.
Come on now. You know everybody.
Dude, there are 0.
Everybody means the statue.
Hey, I don't care what you mean. There are 0 rhinos in this office.
Makes sense.
Just like there's 0 motherfucking giraffes. There's no giraffes, there's no rhinos, there's no orangutans, there's no alligators. Someone said, I didn't say real.
What a bad thing.
Is that a rhino?
It's a statue of one.
Okay, then is that a
But
rhino?
I'm looking at a
Hey,
rhino.
you're looking
rhino
at something
statue.
shaped like one. You're looking at something that resembles one. That is not a rhino. If you think that's a rhino, you need to go back to school.
Hold on. When I asked how many rhinos in the office, do you think I meant the actual animal?
No,
how
but
many?
if I'm going to pay you $100,000 to count them, I'm going to trick you somehow.
Yeah, that's.
And the trick is there are 0. So everybody's always wrong.
Unethical bet, Brad.
No, just like right now, dude, I don't know nothing about you, but I can tell you exactly where you got those shoes. I'll bet you $100. I'll tell you specifically where you got them, too. Not like in a store, not like in Florida, not like in Jordan. I'll tell you specifically and exactly where you got them.
You can't tell me the city because
I can tell you exactly where you got them. These guys are the judges.
the exact store.
Listen to what I'm saying. You're trying to add. I'm going to tell you exactly
I know what
where you got
I
them.
know what you're gonna
What?
say. Tom Ford.
No.
What are you gonna say?
I'm going to tell you exactly where you got them.
Sure.
If you want to wager $100 that I can't,
I feel like he's gonna have like some.
dude, these guys are the judges.
Yeah,
They're the judges.
Go for it.
If I can tell him exactly,
The exact store's location.
dude,
Not the factory
listen,
they came out
I'm
of.
going to tell you exactly
Uh-huh.
where you got them. Specifically.
Yeah, but-
In other words, you can touch the place that I name. It's a specific location. It's not in general.
But he's betting with you is not fair because you're gonna try to trick me
I'm
somehow.
not going to trick.
Probably like Brad's gonna say like your closet or
Hey,
something.
then,
What is the
hey,
answer?
then,
Okay,
then,
$100.
then
What is the
decline,
answer?
scaredy cat.
What?
Then decline.
Okay, well tell me.
Is it $100?
$100? I'll
Okay.
take you to lunch.
You got them on your feet.
See, that's the.
What are you talking about? Where does he
You
got them?
said, no, you said where you got them
Yeah,
from.
you got them on your feet, and he's got a camera.
No.
Play,
You
listen.
didn't say where you got
I'll
them
bet you
on.
another $100. I
No,
didn't
no.
say
You
that.
didn't say where you got them on. You
Want to
said where
make
you
another
got
$100 bet? Okay,
Yes.
same $100.
Done.
Good thing there's a
Done.
camera.
Where you got
Rewind
them
it.
from.
Did I say where he got them from?
Yes.
Or did I say where he got them?
Then I said from,
You
and you
listening?
said yes.
You listening?
Yo, be the
I have
judge.
to go back.
Be
Go
the
back.
judge. Be the judge.
Go back.
Yeah.
Listen,
Actually,
I said
dude.
I'll bet you $100 where you got them.
Okay.
I never said from.
Give me a minute.
Dude, he said from.
Now you're gonna owe me $200.
Okay, give me a minute.
I even repeated. I said you gonna tell where I got
I'm not talking
them
about you. You didn't
from.
make the bet. I said
Brad,
I'll tell you
Brad,
where you
when
got them.
I said from, you said yes.
I said I'll
You
tell
said
you
yes.
exactly
Oh,
where
we
you
got
got
camera.
them.
We got
It's
camera.
coming, it's coming.
Alright, I want to hear. He's like.
He's
gotta
listening.
Trick me out of $200. See, folks, that's how you.
Listen, he's the judge.
That's how you become $100 million guy.
Go ahead. What did I say?
Yeah, that's right.
What?
What do you got him? No, what you got him from?
Bro, I said.
$200 bill.
Hold on.
Yeah, where do you got him? He said it like 4 times. He
Okay,
never said
but
from.
then I said you're gonna
That's
tell
why-
me.
that's why-
No, but hold on. This is
$200 bill.
I tried to find something to say because
No.
he was like, dude, listen.
But then,
Tell where
but
exactly
then
where
I
you got
said,
it.
but
Dude,
then I
just-
said you're gonna tell me where I got them from.
Hey, I'll also tell you. Hey, want me?
And you said yes.
I'll bet you $200 more. You ready?
For what?
I'll tell you within 3 days of your birthday. I get 3 days either way.
Man, I am.
Your exact,
No, all your bets are just.
dude, your exact birthday.
Uh huh.
Within 3 days of either side. I'll tell you exactly the day you were born.
I'm not interested about that.
Okay?
No, because you're unfair, man.
It's not unfair. Ready?
No.
Ready?
You're playing it.
I'll tell you the day. Hold on. Wednesday.
No.
When were you born? Was it 3 days
Huh?
on either side?
Look at this bullshit. This one is 7 days. The week is 7
What day
days.
were you born?
I was born on October 28th,
What year?
1992.
Alexa?
But that's
What day was October 28th, 1992?
Good afternoon, Brad. October 28th, 1992 was on a Wednesday.
Bro, that's kind of crazy.
No way.
That's
What do you mean, no way? Look, he's got it on film.
Hold on. You said I'm gonna tell you. Repeat.
Enta matakhalif.
Repeat the actual bet.
I'll tell you exactly the day you were born.
Then you said.
I said Wednesday.
No. You
I said I get 3 days. I can be in error 3 days either way.
But the week is only 7 days.
What's that got to do with
It
anything?
could have been Thursday.
And I would have been correct.
I would have, of course. There's no wrong answer.
Thank you.
Okay. But
Then it's a sucker's bet.
Okay, but I didn't take it.
Thank
And I
you.
guessed that
But
we
you still owe me 200. Just like I
do.
can promise you that I can poke my head through that hole without opening my fingers. Want to bet?
This guy got a lot of games, bro.
Anybody want to bet? Anybody want to bet? People are like, you can't. Dude, listen.
What head though?
This one.
Oh.
I'm not playing that game. No.
Why?
Go.
People don't believe it, but I can do it.
Okay.
Anybody want to wager?
No.
You go.
Okay, watch.
Brad,
What did I do?
stop it.
I poked my head through that hole.
Is that how you make your money?
No, but I do have I do have a tattoo right here of a rooster hanging by. Because when I bet people I got it hangs below my knee. There it is.
Oh, good. That's
These are what you call bar bets. Bar bets. It's what you do at the bar. Win a little extra cash. I'd always get people with the shoes. Then they'd want to correct my grammar. That's not where I got them. It's where I have them. That's where you got them.
Yeah, dude, you're like
Makes sense.
You're like with the country English.
Dude.
You can't play these games with everyone.
Dude, listen. If I said, "Where do you got your shoes right now?" You'd say, "I got them on my feet." Right?
Well, I guess see. So
Where do you got your shoes right now? I got them on my feet. Where do you got your shoes right now?
Yeah. What?
I'll tell you where you got them.
Yeah.
Now, most people think, "Oh, I bought these in Jerusalem from a little store no one's ever heard of. I'll bet you $100." And I'll say, "You got them on your feet," and they go, "Fuck you." But then they end up paying because they technically know I'm right.
Ain't fair. What was the story for that alien one more time? You said it in one video and I forgot.
It's not just the alien; it's the alien and that iron piggy bank. Well, when I found Jason, he had a company called Stylewise, and I tried to get him to build my first version of Lightspeed.
I remember. Yeah.
And when I went in there, they had a back office and all this and all that, and they had all these creative knickknacks all the developers would have on their desk, and it just kind of looked cool. But those two things I thought were just cool as shit. So I said, "Hey, can I buy those?" No. And they wouldn't sell them. They wouldn't give them to me. They wouldn't. Nope, you can't have them. So then I made a deal where I bought the company.
That is so badass.
And then I said, "Give me those." And there they sit.
They're sick. I love it.
And they've been up there for
It looks
ever.
like the one that appeared in Miami.